Hello, students. Up to the last lecture, we studied transformation of sentences from, say, assertives to imperatives, imperatives to assertives, and then negatives by changing meaning without changing meaning. Now, last part in this series is assertives to exclamatory and vice versa, means assertives to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertive sentences. Now, you already studied assertives means sentences starting with subject and ending with full stop, and exclamatory sentences means those sentences which convey or which show sudden feelings. Now, here, whenever assertive sentences are given, then you have to convert them into exclamatory beginning with what and how. Now, what and how are WH words used for asking questions, but here they can be used to make or form exclamatory sentences. Only difference is that when they are used as question words, there will be a verb after that, but in exclamatory sentences there will not be a verb after those WH words. There will be an adjective placed after them or an article used after them, so it becomes an exclamatory sentences. So rules are very simple. Look at this structure. Assertive begins with subject, verb, and after verb if a very is there and remaining part, then as exclamatory of that sentence will be what. Remember, for a very, exclamatory sentence begins with what, a or an based on the adjective coming after it. If it begins with a vowel sound, then an. If it begins with a consonant sound, a. Then you have to take subject, then verb, and then exclamatory mark for showing exclamatory sentence. Second structure will be subject, verb. Instead of a very, simply very will be there, and then remaining part. Then that assertive must be converted into this structure beginning with how. After how, there will not be a and, there will be directly an adjective placed after how, then subject, then verb, and exclamatory mark. Now see the sentences. He is a very clever student. Now this is what kind of sentence it is? Assertive sentence. It begins with subject and ends with full stop. Now as a very is there, it is this structure. We have to convert it into exclamatory sentence, means we have to begin with what. So what, after that adjective, before that a, and what is the adjective here? Clever. It begins with consonant sound. So a clever, not an clever. What a clever. After that subject. He is. Now see here, student we have taken just before, just after the adjective. Why? Because whenever adjectives are used before nouns, we cannot separate them. Sometimes in sentences there will be only an adjective, but in case of exclamatory sentences beginning with what, there will be adjective plus noun. So you have to take that phrase as it is. You cannot separate the adjective and noun. So what a clever student, and as per subject, as per the structure, then subject he, then verb is, and exclamatory mark. Look at the next sentence. He is very clever. Now this sentence is without a very. Simply very is there, means second structure. Subject he, verb is, very, and then remaining part means adjective. Then you have to convert it into this structure. So begin with how, adjective. What is the adjective in the sentence? Clever. So how clever. Then what is the subject? He. And then verb is an exclamatory mark. Next sentence, Rohan was energetic in the competition. Now, is there very or a very? Only simply very is there. So that means if we have to convert it into this structure, that is beginning with how. So how, immediately after that adjective. What is the adjective in the sentence? Energetic. How energetic. Then subject Rohan, verb was, and remaining part as it is. So how energetic Rohan was in the competition, exclamatory mark. Next sentence, Rohan was a very energetic performer. Now we have made some changes in the given sentence. Instead of very, a very is there because there is a noun after the adjective. And if there is no noun after the adjective, there won't be a an in the sentence. So that means we have to follow this structure. So what? Now what is the adjective? Energetic. Now it begins with a vowel sound E. So there must be an, not a. What an energetic. So as I told you in the beginning, you cannot separate adjective and noun if they are used together. So the noun as it is, what an energetic performer. Subject is Rohan and verb was as it is. Next sentence, COVID-19 is a very dangerous virus as per the current situation. Now a very is there, this structure, so you have to convert it again into sentence, exclamative sentence beginning with what. So what, then a, and what is the adjective in the sentence? Dangerous. What are dangerous? You cannot separate the noun and adjective, they are used together. So what a dangerous virus. Subject is, what are we talking about? We are talking about COVID-19. So what a dangerous virus, COVID-19, and verb is an exclamatory mark. Now I have given two sentences beginning with how and what, means exclamatory to assertive. How mean you are. So this structure, how mean you are, how, adjective, subject, then verb. So that means you have to begin or convert it into this structure: subject, verb, very, and remaining part. Remaining part means adjective will be there. So what is the subject here? You, then verb are. As a, no, it doesn't begin with what, we have to simply take very. You are very, and remaining part adjective mean. Now second sentence, it begins with water. What a developed country America is. Subject here is America and verb is. So begin with subject America is. Now as water is there, we have to be for convert it into this structure. What a very, remaining part, developed country. America is a very developed country. Assertives begin with subject, then verb, then a very, remaining part, a developed country as it is. Like this, you have to convert assertives to exclamatory and exclamatory to assertives. I hope you might have understood. Thank you so much.